Hi guys, welcome to another exciting time with EnnyGeleCraft. And on today's episode, I will be teaching you guys how to tie an unconventional style. So for this style of gele, you need a 2 yard long material, and so you fold your gele into two halves, 50-50, and also that's your point 50. Then you're going to be taking 5 on each side, on which is the right and the left. Then you have 50 in the middle. Alright, so you open up your material and you take in 2 inches. Then so now you'll be basing from the back. So all you need to do is go to the back and base, then she holds down for you. Then you start with your left or right, whichever one you choose to start with is fine. So after crossing, you'll be pinning down. Make sure you pin down that part. Alright, so we've pinned down that part I was holding. Now you want to start forming your unconventional style. So this style is a very simple style and very simplified. All you need to do is just spread out your material and make sure you're forming a circular shape on the head, just like you're pleating, but you don't need to pleat at all. Alright, so just gently maneuver your style, gently hold your fabric up together in a squeeze. Then once we're getting close to where I twisted in, where I pin, then now you are going to be twisting in. So then after twisting in, then you follow the twist to the back. So keep twisting at the back. So you need to ensure you pin after taking the twist. Just pin to the base. After you pin to the base, then you move back to the front. Alright, so back at the front now, you want to start arranging your style. You want to start perfecting the round circular shape you made. So all you need to do is use pin to tack them. So you'll be pinning them from the back. So ensure you're using a good fabric, something that is not too soft, not too hard. Alright, so you keep pinning. Ensure you're pinning the right angles, the right places to pin. You just need to hold your material to know the right place you want to pin down. So try to iron out the edges. Try to make sure that the shape of the gele is staying just the way you want it to be. So you need to use your fingers to iron them out the way you want them to look. Alright, so next up, you would be using the remaining material at the back to form the other remaining half side of this style. So all you need to do is just fold just the way I folded. There's no specific way to fold, just try and be creative. That is why it's called unconventional style. Just try and fold the way you can, then ensure that you're getting out the shape you want, and that's just how you do it. All right, so also I will be pinning down this particular part. I'll be pinning it to the back. So we're about to pin to the back now. You can take a little twist, then you pin down just to secure the material. All right, so ensure you pin well, and also you can try to tidy up the back just in case it's looking a little bit messy. Sometimes your material might not cover the whole head, so that's nothing to worry about. All right, so lastly, you want to make the final arrangement, the finishing touch. Then you want to ensure that the gele is just perfect the way you wanted it to be. So all you need to do is just spread out and see where you want to use your pin on, because you still need to use your pin for some of the finishing parts. So what I'm wearing on my rig is actually called a pin holder, and we have at our store, we have for sale in the store. So if you want to purchase one or more than one, kindly check me out on Instagram and send me a DM. The link of my Instagram will be attached in the description below, or you can also contact me on my WhatsApp to purchase one. Alright, so here we go. This is our unconventional style. I hope you liked it. It's a very simple style. Something so different from the regular. So if you like this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up so it can actually get recommended to other viewers. And also for everyone who's been wanting to support, so above is my piggy account. Kindly make your support contributions there. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Enjoy.